These are the latest visuals, and I believe that is Kareena Kapoor Khan. Complete nightmare for a family. Remember that you're sleeping and you believe that you are in a safe, secure house. And I can tell you that Saif and Kareena have a very strict security cordon, for example, when they're out and about in public, and also otherwise, even at the residence, it's a secure building. So who then managed to enter into the house? As our colleagues continue to bring us the latest on that, Kareena and the children were at home at that point, is what we are told. And just imagine, 2 a.m., hearing a noise, Saif wakes up to realize the house help is shouting and has received injuries, that there is an intruder who is very close to the children's room, if not inside. And that's when Saif Ali Khan confronts him. Will look like we have an update coming in officially from the hospital, because we are not putting out any conjectures, only verified information. Look at that. Senior team of doctors at the Leelavati Hospital in Mumbai, where Kareena and all other family members presently are. Let's try and dip in and understand what's happening. Remember, this is a concern as much, of course, because these are top film stars who do have access to security of all kinds. And yet if someone manages to enter, it is the audacity of the individual. What kind of a friendly entry was this, if not a forced entry? Initial information suggested a duct was used to enter into the house, managing to come into the private chambers as well. This is a comparatively lavish residence of Kareena and Saif. But also, to understand how Saif would have to confront someone to protect his children. And clearly, if you have injuries on the neck and spine and the scuffle that unfolded, the man clearly did not mean well and was armed. He clearly had a knife or some weapon that could have proven to be very fatal, especially for the actor. For now, thankfully, we are told that he's out of danger, but it raises a lot of questions. How can someone just enter, even through a duct, into an actor's house? Let's dip in. Senior team of doctors, neurosurgeons operating on heart.
और उनको ऑपरेशन थिएटर से हमने आईसीयू में शिफ्ट किया है for 1 day observation. After that, we'll decide tomorrow. Right now, it is looking absolutely fine. He is on recovery path. The recovery should be 100% as per our initial understanding. सर, तो दो एकदम गहरी चोटें हैं, 2 इंटरमीडिएट है और 2 एब्रेशंस जैसा खरोच से कैसे आ जाता है, तो चाकू का नोक से ऐसा खरोच से आ गया है. इतना बड़ा 2.5 इंच का चाकू का पीस अंदर स्पाइन से हमने निकाला है. डॉक्टर डांगे उस बारे में आपको ठीक से बताएंगे.
यस सर डॉक्टर डांगे. थोड़ा पीछे हट जाओ. बोलने दो आपको.
So Mr. Saif Ali Khan was admitted in the morning at 2 a.m. at Leelavati Hospital with alleged history of assault by some unknown person. At 2 a.m. he sustained major injury to the thoracic spinal cord due to lodged knife in the spine. Surgery was performed to remove the knife and also repair the leaking spinal fluid. 2 other deep wounds on his left hand and 1 on the neck was repaired by plastic surgery team. The entire surgery was monitored by Dr. Srinivas Kudwa as a cardiologist because of his other condition. He is completely stable now. He is recovering well and out of danger. Thank you.
Yeah, so sir.
Sir, how long the recovery will be? Sir, how long will it take to recover? Sir, how long it will take to recover?
Yeah, so yeah.
We are doing our best to make him feel comfortable and he's recovering well. Thank you.
Sir, how long will it take to recover?
Thank you.
First official information coming in. This is big and very significant. Remember, this gives us an insight of the kind of injuries that Saif Ali Khan received. I just want to reiterate what the doctor said, and we'll play out that statement in just a short while. That a part of the knife was lodged into his body. The manner in which he was attacked. This is absolutely scary to imagine what the doctors had to do. It was a senior team of plastic surgeons, neurosurgeons and cardiologists as well, who did treat the actor. 2 deep wounds, apart from the one that I've been talking about on the neck and near the spine. There were 2 wounds on the hands as well. Clearly a sharp weapon that this intruder came inside with. The 2 deep wounds, we are told, especially on the hands as well. A plastic surgery team have been able to repair it. Of course, all of this will be under observation. And then very interesting for what the senior doctor said, that a cardiologist also was part, of course, of the operation, was monitoring, was taken in consideration because there are certain nerves, veins connecting to the heart. And this reflects on the kind of gravity of the situation that unfolded late into the night when Saif Ali Khan possibly saw this intruder very close to his children's room and in the family area. Sana Farzeen is at the Leelavati Hospital, who closely tracks the entertainment industry as well. Sana, I come to you. He's out of danger now, is what the doctor did confirm. But you tell me what precisely is happening, who all are coming there, what has been said by the team of medical experts.
Absolutely. Everyone just everyone is relieved out here because the doctors just came in and said that he's out of danger and he's recovering well. Of course, he will need some more time in the hospital, and we just saw that Kareena is back in the hospital while her children Sara Ali Khan and Ibrahim Ali Khan just left. They were here in the morning and met Saif after the surgery, and Kareena is once again beside her husband. Kareena, as we all were reporting, was cooperating with the police team because the investigation was happening at the house, because the police was investigating all the maids. They were speaking to them, they were speaking to the staff and everyone associated in the building. They were speaking to the security team. But right now everyone's just relieved that Saif, of course, is safe. It was a grievous injury. He had multiple stab wounds. A part of the knife was inside him. So all of this was kind of creating a lot of chaos out here because everyone was concerned about Saif Ali Khan. But right now, after the doctor's statement, there is a relief and everyone's just expecting that Saif recovers well and goes back home soon.
Sana, also tell me, what are you hearing about from the team of Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan? I believe their teams have put out a statement. Can you tell us more about that?
Absolutely, they have been trying to give the details about, of course, the team definitely is also shaken up. But Saif's team, first thing in the morning, they sent out a statement saying that he was, of course, injured and there was an attempt of robbery inside his home. Kareena's family, Kareena's team also sent out a statement saying that the family wants to maintain privacy at the moment because, of course, they are all shaken up. Right now, Saif's team, after the surgery, informed the media that Saif is recovering well. He'll need time in the hospital to recover. But right now, they're all shaken up about how this has happened. This has also created a lot of chaos among the industry about the security of these people. And one thing to be blamed is how the paparazzi kind of continues to capture actors inside their premises, and everyone kind of has access to their address. And thus, this has kind of, it is a wake-up call for everyone about how things needs to be shaped up in the future for the safety of all the high-profile celebrities and, of course, everyone included.